Have going on here is a little bit of roots marketing. Combination of big trucks and regenerative braking. We have these trucks going up and downhill through the mountains, particularly I know in British Columbia here. All day and all night long they're going up and down the hill, 80 to 100,000 kilogram loads. Not always that, but large trucks with a tremendous amount of regenerative power potential. You can see an infrastructure coming into place where they're discharging power that's been derived from their regenerative braking into a grid system for made use in all manner of electrical needs. Kinds of concepts include having a mobile wind farm where you could funnel the wind into a turbine system and make use of the increased wind drag coefficient to generate power, again for all manner of electrical uses. Combine this with the EE stores, EESU, and a bank that could situate itself in any number of gas stations or receptacles. You can easily see how this kind of a scenario could play out and unfold into a really interesting green energy solution, making use of wasted energy potential that is currently existing in our transportation and our delivery infrastructure. This kind of a scenario is something that I hope you can see some examples of other ideas at macinlux.com. That's MACINLUX.com. Thank you. Regenerative braking and 18-wheelers.